At first glance, it looks like everything is correct here. Like she's applied Pythagoras' theorem, that's that a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, so she's done it this way around. And then she substituted in her numbers, so c, that's 2y, and then a, she set that equal to 6, and then b, she set that equal to 8, which is basically what she's done here. I just put it in brackets just to show I substituted that, but we don't need to put those in. And then we get walk through 2y squared. That's right, isn't it? 2y squared. In fact, it's wrong. This is what's led to an error, and it's a very common mistake. But when you've got 2y all squared, that's essentially equal to 2y times 2y. 2y is 2 times y, and then we're timesing that by 2 times y again. Now, when you're timesing like so, you can arrange that into any order you want. So we can actually do the 2 times 2 first, and then we can do y times y. And when you follow through with this, you get 2 times 2, which is 4, and y squared, 4y squared. So when you're raising two numbers multiplied together by a power, you've raised both of the numbers by the same power. So this is the mistake she made here, but this should have actually gone to 4y squared instead of 2y squared. The rest of it is correct. The math she did was fine. If in doubt, assign a value to y. Have a look at our algebra. Does it work? If y was equal to root 50, let's follow back. So root 50, if we square that, we do get 50. If we do the opposite and we times that by 2, we do get 100. And then if we split it up, yes, that does give us this. And looking at it on the algebra side, we have y squared, that is 50, that's fine. Two lots of 50, that is 100. Two lots of 50, yep, that's still this. But you'll see it doesn't work here. But if I did 2 lots of root 50 squared, let's put that into the calculator and see what we get. We get 200, which isn't equal to this here. So that must be her mistake. It's kind of logical to begin with that 5 is less than 8, and that means that it can't be the hypotenuse, but y isn't actually the hypotenuse. 2y is the hypotenuse. And if we times 5 by 2, then we get 10. 10 is greater. So she might be correct for the fact that it isn't 5, but her reasoning is wrong, and that's what the key thing is here. If we wanted to go ahead and try to find what the hypotenuse is, we could go ahead and work that out, and we'd see she's wrong. That's another way of doing it, but it's only a 1-mark question, and we don't want to be doing the full calculation here. So clearly she's wrong, and that's because 2y is the hypotenuse. 2 times y is 10.